Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group HG11. So our project is about UV exposure awareness system. So here we have 5 group members, which is the first one is Muhammad Syami Hilmi, Muhammad Azhar Haziq, Muhammad Anas, Muhammad Irfan Haris, and the last one is Muhammad Magdi. Okay, so for the introduction, the first one is UV is an electrical magnetic energy from the sun moved as wave or particles with different wavelengths and frequency. This broadband of wavelength is referred to as the electromagnetic spectrum. The spectrum is often split into 7 regions that are ordered by rising energy and frequency and decreasing wavelength. Okay, so for the second point is UV radiation has an effect on people all around the world in both natural and man-made ways. So numerous disorders that are hazardous to health, particularly to the skin because of unprotected exposure to UV source are recognized by their high radiation levels. Daily exposure to UV radiation results in DNA alterations in people as well as the degenerative illness that affect the skin, eyes, burns, and photoaging. Okay, so for the last one is UV radiation is characterized as a complete carcinogen. So this happens because it has the properties of both cancer inducer and a tumor promoter in addition to being both a mutagen and non-specific disruptive agent.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azhar Aziz Investmani. My matric number is CE200138. Okay, for the objective for this project is to create a tool that measure ultraviolet radiation for us by athlete during field training. Okay, next to continuously track and show the UV index. And lastly, to assist athlete in the field in ensuring the health of their skin by adopting preventive measure and according to World Health Organization (WHO) recommendation. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Anas bin Abdul Aziz. I want to talk about the step analysis. For the first, the social. Establish the proper time and location for outdoor exercise. The second, guard athlete against excessive UV radiation exposure. The third, improve the consumer way of life, particularly in terms of their eyes and skincare practice. Next, lowering the prevalence of many skin conditions, including skin cancer. For the technological, the first, any chromophore compound quality control application are best served by this detector. Second, electrical controller that are small and portable were used to develop the technology. The economic, the first, increasing sale. Sale is increased. The second, increase employment, growth, and the nation economy. For the third, due to this product, low price and plenty of useful features, user will be thrilled to buy it. For the environmental, the first, eco-friendly to user, net low energy device, no pollution is produced. Testing the ideal setting for those with skin condition that are obvious. The last, political. For the first, in this project, only electric energy is employed. Therefore, there are no barriers to finishing this project because it is not necessary according to any applicable provincial legislation. Uh, for the net, why the amount of UV radiation is relatively strong. The government can employ the device in public and government location and impose nutrition on outdoor event. That's all for me for the state analysis.
Right, this is our prototype for UV index. The sensor that we use is UV sensor with LCD and Arduino Uno. So now reading is UV index, which is 0.95. So it's level for low UV. Alright, so now the UV index is 4.42. So it's grade medium UV. Alright, when we change the direction for this prototype, the UV index will show 7.17, which is the grade is high UV. Now the UV index is 8.22, and it is extreme UV level, and the buzzer will trigger when extreme UV level more than 8.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome. This is Muhammad Mujdi. Lastly, for the conclusion, we can conclude that this prototype is absolutely functional and work as intended. And also, we are able to collect the UV intensity readings from the prototype and refer to the UV exposure guidelines provided by the WHO, World Health Organization guidelines. From that, we are able to, based on the readings, we can modify the WHO guidelines to be more suited for athletical training on the field of taking care of the healthiness of their skins. So that's all from us. There you have it. Thank you for watching.